we decided to play Poppy Playtime, but then we don't have Steam, so we're playing this very famous Poppy Playtime Roblox version called Poppy Playtoys. Playtoys. Sorry.
So I'm creating a server, alright?
Tight squeeze. Unfortunately, we know how Poppy Playtime goes already.
What are we gonna do? Act?
Yeah, we're gonna do anyway. Okay. Gonna play. Go, she's flying, everyone run! Ah! Ryan,
What?
stop flying!
Okay. Oh, wait a second.
Okay,
Fine.
get the tape.
Why is it so dusty already? Okay, let's get the tape.
I can't grab it! I can't seem to grab it. Maybe it's that we don't have a grab pack yet.
Yeah, no. Come on, Lee. Talk to me. What's it over here?
Okay, nice.
Oh, gift shop.
Hello there, sir. What would you like to buy?
Oh, very nice.
Okay, you shouldn't close that. People will think
Oh my
it's
gosh,
closed.
what is this?
That's actually a damaged toy that someone damaged here.
I love that toy. That's my favorite toy.
You can buy another one. There's literally 20 more beside us.
Oh, thanks. Oh, can I buy that train?
I don't know.
It has numbers on it.
Ooh, I'm literally just here
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4. It must be a code. Yeah, I know the code. Yeah, I already know the code, guys.
I didn't know the
Bummer.
code.
Green, pink, yellow, red. I knew it all along for 2 years or something.
That was
Why are we even in there?
I don't even remember.
Green, pink, yellow, red. Open up! Where's the tape?
Oh, what is that?
You know what that is!
Sausage's dirty fingers.
Ah, Poppy Playtoys.
Let's sit down and talk, right?
Yeah, let's just sit down. Sit down on these chairs or something. Fire. Only fire at small objects. Do not fire at a coworker. Wire conductors used for wiring. I'm just trying to block. It's mine! The grab that's mine! The grab that's mine! Mine! Go! Oh, I got it! No, I have it. What is that? Poppy wants to play. Too bad, because I'm not playing. Yeah, too bad, Poppy. Wait a second, I want to test it on you. No, you're not dying. What a bummer. Let's see how much does this thing stretch. Just stay there, okay? No, don't do it. I wanted to see how much does this thing stretch. Nice, we got it. I want to play a theme song. The blocks haven't loaded or something.
Poppy's head this color. It's not supposed to be beige.
I want Huggy. Wait a second, look. On top of Huggy's head. It's me. Huggy's holding the keys. Give me that.
Wow, Poppy, wow, you're the keeper of the keys? Wow.
Yeah. Open up.
Can I do this?
No, it's me. Okay, you may do it. Just do it. Knock that thing over. I'm gonna see what's in this corner. I need a socket. Let me get electrocuted. Just stuff my fingers in there real quick. this one first for something. Yeah, there are two of them. Don't miss them. We didn't have to touch this thing, did we? Open up! Who locked us in here? We'll find the robber. Don't worry, guys. Wait a second. Don't do the hand thing. Don't do the hand cannon thing. I want to see how far it stretch. It stretches all the way over here. I wanted to go farther back and see. Make a friend.
I will stay here, right? You go get the right hand, and then I will do this, right?
Okay. I just saw Huggy Wuggy.
Really?
Yeah, he was just like, his arm was just steamed.
No, that's where the robber went.
I'm not scared at all. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Oh, wait. We never fell down. I always thought we fall down.
You came from that corner?
Yeah, I always thought we fell down from that side. We come from a tiny little corner. It's mine.
Yeah, you go get the other one. I'll go get the other one, right?
Okay. I got the red and yellow one. I got all of them.
Really? That's how I got it all of them last time.
Yeah, I was literally looking for them everywhere. I don't know why we decided to like play this value, but then we decided to
You're
play
not lagging.
You're not, okay?
Then what are you doing? You're trembling here.
You're literally walking normally. You know what? Just continue. Ignore me.
I can't go through this door. I can't even get back.
I opened that door.
Okay, I'm gonna go back.
Red hand, red hand.
But why are you teleporting? This is your leg.
Hey, I literally got the red hand, okay?
I got it.
Wait a second, don't do it. I wanna like test these hands, okay? You do the red one, by the way.
Okay. Wait, where's my red hand button? Oh, there it is.
Wow, these hands go very far. Wow.
Why can't it? My hand is not handing.
Oh, I feel like I have to do it, right? Run in there. Oh. I thought I was running. Woo! Wait, what's this way? Oh, yeah, this thing. Hey, I made it up! What's this way? Okay, I feel like that's going to be it.
Why can't it move?
Yeah, me neither. I'm just
Why is it
saying.
on my face, bro? Can't even smell it.
Yeah, at least I can just whack you. Here I am. Oh no! The robber turned on triggered the alarm. We're gonna catch the robber, the one who stole Huggy.
Wow.
Make a friend, make a friend. I said turn on.
Bear! Let's do this! Build a bear!
Build a bear, what do you mean? It's a make a friend.
Build a bear!
What do you mean build a bear?
Oh, we need to be a thing.
Oh, we adjusted. You fell down.
No.
I'm gonna look for the VHS tape while also doing this puzzle. Bro! Bro! This thing is not singing! There we go. Okay, now where's the VHS? Why are you reaching for that thing?
I want to move it.
Oh, that was a close call. Wait a second, where's the VHS tape? Where is it? Don't worry, I got you. Ah!
What? Disconnected.
You disconnected. Okay, no.
Disconnected.
Your internet disconnected.
Okay, restart.
Guys, we'll be back until we make it here, okay?
Be right back.
I'ma just die real quick. I decided to leave on my own because it was taking forever. And
So who's creating the server?
don't worry, I'ma do it.
I created it.
I'ma wait. There's already someone else in it.
Get out.
Oh, there.
What happened?
I'm going. That's all I know. Oh, there. No, someone else joined. Oh, there. No, there's so many of me.
That's a bug.
We found a little bug just crawling around. Which type was it? Was it an ant? Let's skip until we get back where we were. Guys, we'll be back after like this little mechanism thingy we just did, and then like we're back. Press the Build-A-Bear thing. I need to make a friend thing. Are you in a hurry now? Get all these things inserted. Yeah, where's my fuzzy bean, busy bean, fuzzy cat bean, whatever it is, whatever that thing is. Give me it. Give me it. What in the world happened to your busy? Give us that busy. Give it to us. Yeah, there's just laser in her death. Why did you revive her then? Give me it. Hey, 8 more lives left.
Yeah?
Better watch out next time. What did that say? No one goes without a toy? Oh my god, that thing literally just popped up defaulting on my screen. What is going on? Why are you in front of my face? What happened? What was that? I can't see a thing. Oh my gosh. Why am I not running out? Oh my gosh. What do we do? Oh. I'm trying. Oh my gosh, why did I stop? No, he got me. Who left the door open in our room?
We'll be right back. Hey, we're back.
You know what? I would just hang out near the door.
I'm gonna do it, right?
No, but that thing just popped up T-posing in my screen immediately right in front of my face. Are you there? Oh my god, that thing just popped up T-posing. What happened? It's just going.
I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give.
Oh, it just teleported me in front of him. Having you in my face is not really that fun. Yeah, I can't either. How did he get me? Run! Crouch! He's coming! Run! Wait! Go! Please! Oh no! You made it! Through the box thing! No! We were so
We'll be right back.
Yeah, we're back. You know what? It's my turn to hang out there, okay? Open up, open up, open up! Okay, now we're inside. You're in the vent. When one of us like goes somewhere, the other teleports. Ah! Oh my gosh! I just told you not to. Oh, yeah, it is very confusing. Oh. I know, Captain. Why can't he stop us? We're stuck here. Don't worry, I just did it. Just run as fast as you can down the hole. Why do you want to eat me? Maybe he just wants to give us a hug, but we're not just going to. Yeah. Oh my god. My light is not lighting. Yeah, we both have these torch thingies. Oh my gosh. Also this torch. Hurry! Please, Huggy, please don't. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm trying. Yes! Ow! 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 Oh. You're back! Hey! I did not kill him. I was in his... I did not. Okay, I did not kill him. Can I jump off and die or something?
Now where's my dear Limon? Limon!
Yeah, Limon. Hey, he's down there!
Limon!
Can I grab him? Don't worry, I got him for you. No, there's an invisible wall that blocks us from even grabbing him. Yeah, I just put the UHS.
You probably get up.
Pick it up.
I don't know why don't we just...
Yeah, it's only that one which we really needed to learn the grab back.
Yeah, I guess.
Come on, we found the flower without even reading that one road. No!
Turn around.
Stop!
Good
Run!
job.
Turn around.
Dude, there are. Yeah. Now I kind of like this. That's so pretty.
If only the lights were on.
Granny!
Dandy's house? What do you mean Dandy's house?
I said Granny. Granny, where are you?
Grandma?
Granny,
You there?
I have a very good collectible dog. Ew, see that?
Ew! Do not take her out of her book. Leave her there. No, do not touch her. I just told you not. No, Jason! Ew!
Yay, that was your chapter 2.
No. I guess that's enough for one video, guys. Bye!